Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how to disconnect WhatsApp web from your mobile. Now, firstly, to disconnect your WhatsApp web from your mobile, you'll have to have your device connected to the internet and then open up WhatsApp on your phone. After you've opened up WhatsApp on your phone, you'll be on this chat space of WhatsApp. Now on this page, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see these three dots. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on these three dots, a menu will appear on your screen. Now on this menu, go ahead and click on this link devices option. After you click on this link devices option, you'll be redirected to another page. Now on this page, on this device status bar, you'll see the accounts which are connected or the devices which are connected to your WhatsApp. And as you can see, my WhatsApp web is shown as Google Chrome Linux, which is my laptop. Now for you to disconnect it, firstly choose the device or the WhatsApp web account you want to disconnect and click on it like this. Once you click on it, a pop-up will appear on your screen. Now on that pop-up, click on the logout option. After you click on the logout option, your WhatsApp account will be disconnected from WhatsApp web. I hope this video helped you to disconnect WhatsApp web from mobile. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.